Good morning, student. Welcome to e-learning classes. This is Ashok Kumar, Modern English School, New Area Branch. Again, student, lesson 1, number system, exercise 1F. This is question number 12, student. Here, x is equal to 2 minus root 3. That means this value is given here. Find the value of x minus 1 by x ka whole cube. Okay, student. So, student, first of all, if x is equal to 2 minus root 3, then 1 by x is equal to, directly a student we can write 2 plus root 3. Suppose here x is equal to 2 plus root 3. Suppose x is equal to 2 plus root 3, then 1 by x is equal to 2 minus root 3. Why it is? Reason is, here a student 1 by x. So 1 by x means 1 by the value of x is 2 minus root 3. So we can rationalize here. So 2 plus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3. So here 2 plus root 3, and this is the form of a plus b into a minus b. Then we can write a square minus b square. Okay, student. So 2 plus root 3 divided by, this value is 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. That means 1 by x, the value of 1 by x is 2 plus root 3. This one. Okay, student. Find the value of x minus 1 by x ka whole cube. Okay. So according to question, x minus 1 by x ka whole cube is equal to, the value of x is 2 minus root 3 minus the value of 1 by x is 2 plus root 3. Okay, and the power is whole cube. So here 2 minus root 3, the negative value multiply in both term. Here is the 2 minus 2 and minus root 3. The whole power is cube. So here plus 2 and minus 2 is cancelled. That means 2 root 3. Because root 3 is 1 times and here is also 1 times. So 1 plus 1 is equal to 2 root 3 and the whole power is cube. So first of all, student, if the power is odd, then the value is always negative. Okay, then 2 ka power cube means 8. 2 ka power cube means 8 into root 3 ka power cube. So we can write here root 3 into root 3 into root 3 3 times. So here minus 8 into root 3 into root 3 is 3 into root 3. So final answer is minus 8 into 3, 24 root 3. This is your final answer. Okay, student. I hope, student, you will understand this question. Question number 12. The next question is question number 15 in exercise 1F. A is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. Find the value of a square minus 1 by a square. This value. Okay, student. Let us start. A is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. Here a is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2. That means 1 by a. Automatic we can write 3 plus 2 root 2. Just like previous concept. That means question number 12. Just like question number 12. So a is equal to 3 minus 2 root 2 and 1 by a is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2. Here the value is a square minus 1 by a square. A square minus 1 by a square. Okay. This value can be written as a ka whole square minus 1 by a ka whole square completely. Okay. So here a square, the value a is given 3 minus 2 root 2 ka whole square minus 1 by a 3 plus 2 root 2 whole square. Okay, student, this is the form of a minus b ka whole square and a plus b ka whole square. We know that a minus b ka whole square. Again write down the formula, student, and keep in your mind a plus b ka whole square is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, and a minus b ka whole square is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. There is only one difference between a plus b and a minus b is, here is the plus 2ab and here is the minus 2ab, and both are same. Okay, so write down here 3 ka square a square minus b square, that means 2 root 2 ka square a square plus b square minus 2ab. So 2 into a, the a value is 3 and the b value is 2 root 2. This is your 2ab. Okay, a square plus b square minus 2ab minus, take the bracket, 3 का square, a square plus 2 root 2 का square, b square plus 2ab, that means 2 into 3 into 2 root 2. Okay, so a square is 9 plus here is 2 root 2, a square is 2 का square 4, 4 2 जा 8, 8 minus 3 2 जा 6, 6 2 जा 12, 12 root 2. Okay, and the negative sign multiply in each term. So we can write here minus 9, minus 8 and plus minus minus 12 root 2. So here minus 8 and plus both are cancelled and the final answer is 24 minus 24 under root 2. This is your final answer because minus 12 root 2 and minus 12 root 2. So minus minus is plus. So 12 plus 12 is 24 and take negative sign here and root 2 is already exist here. So minus 24 root 2 is your final answer. Okay student, this is your 15 question number 15. 15 is completed and the next and the next question is, this is question number 17, last question student. X is equal to 2 plus root 3. Here the again same information is given. Find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay student, this question I will solve this question in two methods. Okay, first one is the method 1. Method 1, the first method is x is equal to 2 plus root 3. X is equal to 2 plus root 3. Then find the value of 1 by x. Automatic student, we know that 1 by x is equal to 2 minus root 3. Okay, take again x cube plus 1 by x का whole cube. This can be written as x का power cube plus 1 by x का power cube. Okay, so a cube plus b cube. So here put the value x का power cube. The x value is 2 plus root 3. 2 plus root 3 का whole cube plus 1 by x value is 2 minus root 3 का whole cube. So here student, you have to know what is the formula of a plus b का whole cube. Write down the formula again student. A plus b का whole cube is equal to a cube plus b cube plus 3ab bracket a plus b. This is the first formula. And again a minus b का whole cube is equal to a cube minus b cube minus 3ab bracket a minus b. Only one difference here student, here the both sign is positive and rest of all sign is positive, and here the in case of a minus b का whole cube first sign is positive and the rest sign is negative. Okay, so keep in your mind a plus b का whole cube and a minus b का whole cube. Okay, so here we can use a plus b का whole cube, that means 2 का cube. So 2 का cube is 8, we know that the value of 2 का cube is 8 plus root 3 का cube. So root 3 का cube means root 3 into root 3 into root 3. So we can write here 3 root 3 because root 3 into root 3 is 3 and root 3, 1 root 3 is remaining. So we can write 3 root 3. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab, 3 into a value is 2 and b value is root 3 and rest of them is 2 plus root 3. This is your first case. Okay, plus again the second value is a minus b का whole cube. Again write down a cube, that means 8 minus b cube 3 root 3, a cube minus b cube 3 root 3 minus 3ab, 3 into a into b, and again the value is a minus b, 3 minus root 3. So this is the formula of a plus b का whole cube and this is the formula of a minus b का whole cube. Okay, after that student, here the second value and second value, because this is the positive and this is the negative, so positive negative is cancelled. So we can write here 8 plus 3 2 ja 6, 3 2 ja 6. 6 root 3 into 2. So we can write 6 into 2 is equal to 12 root 3. 6 into 2 is equal to 12 root 3. And this value multiply here. So 3 into 2, 6. And root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. So 6 into 3 is equal to 18. Okay. Then after, here is the negative sign, plus, put this value 8, minus 3 into 2, again student 6 into 2, 12. 12 root 3, and minus is negative is positive, and here the value is 18, because 3 into 2, 6, and root 3 into root 3 is equal to 3. So 6 into 3 is equal to 18. Here 12 root 3 and 12 root 3, again student cancel. So finally 8 plus 8 is equal to 16, plus 18 plus 18 is equal to 36, 52. This is your final answer. This answer is 52. Here student, I have used the basic formula of a plus b ka whole cube and a minus b ka whole cube. This is the method 1. Okay student, and method 2. And method 2. Second method student, we have to find the value of x cube plus 1 by x cube. Method 2, x cube plus 1 by x cube. We know that the formula student, x plus 1 by x का whole cube, a plus b का whole cube, x plus 1 by x का whole cube. So what is the formula? X cube plus 1 by x का whole cube, that means a cube plus b cube, a cube plus b cube, plus 3ab, 3 into x into 1 by x, and bracket x plus 1 by x. Here student, this x and this x is cancelled, and the value of x is already calculated here. Means the value of x is given and 1 by x is calculated. So 2 plus root 3 plus 2 minus root 3 का power whole cube is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3. Here is only 3 value, and x plus 1 by x, the value of x plus 1 by x. Look at here student, this is the value of x plus 1 by x. So this value is cancelled. So 2 plus 2, that means 4 का cube is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 3 into, and this value x plus 1 by x value is 4. So put here the value is 4. Okay, so 4 का cube 64 is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube plus 4 3 is 12. Okay, 12 value moves here, then negative sign, that means 64 minus 12 is equal to x cube plus 1 by x cube. Okay, so finally we got x cube plus 1 by x cube, and your answer is 64 minus 12 is equal to 52. Look at here student, this answer is 52 and this is also 52. That means both are same question but different method. Okay, so this is the method 1 and this is the method 2. Okay student, I hope student you will understand question number 70, first method as well as second method. So student, your homework is make exercise 1F. Make exercise 1F, question number 9 to 17. Make exercise 1F, question number 9 to 17. That means last question is 17. I had already discussed here. So student, 9 to 17 complete exercise 1F. Okay, so make exercise 1F, question number 9 to 17. And if you have, and student, if you have any query, if you have any problem, ask the question. Okay student, thank you.